classmates. Good afternoon, ma'am. This afternoon, our group will present about the bodily kinesthetic and our presentation entitled Love and Mistake. Situation. Classmates talking with each other and laughing together while Aryan and one of their classmates is studying their lesson at the right side of the classroom.
Hey guys, do we have a test this afternoon with Sir Ibiesa?
Nothing. I don't see you yesterday the third level.
Me too.
Oh, come on, girls. How can you hear if you are exam or not? Because all of you are not listening to Sir Biesa.
Hey friends, well this is Sakin, and you. Do you listen to Sir Ibiesa's during session? Of course not. That's why we always get like at the test.
Wait. Smooth cruiser. Relax, smooth cruiser.
Look at the right side of the discussion. I am studying. So, what's wrong, Emily? Nothing.
I smell something fishy.
Alex, will you please keep quiet?
If you don't want to be in the group, you better go away, okay?
Okay, I'm sorry. I will be quiet now.
Okay, this is a plan.
If ever that Sir Ibiesa will give us an test,
One of us will sit beside Aryan so that we can cover her answer. Is that okay?
sure.
You guys.
Oh, where are you going?
To Aryan today.
Okay, go, friend.
Hi, Aryan. You look so beautiful today. Are you studying? Yes. Why, friend? You want to copy me notes? Oh, no, thanks.
Classmate, go back to your seat. Sir Ibiesa is coming.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Thank you that you're here. Before we start our class, let's have an energizer to be led by Shinadin.
Yes. Energizer?
Okay, classmates, follow me. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, point. 1, 2, 3, point. 1, 2, 3, point. And brush. 1, 2, 3,